Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to access the Tableau help menu. The help menu is located on the left hand side of the Tableau desktop if you haven't got a workbook open. If you have a workbook open, then the help menu may be located on the right hand side. So here on the left, I'll click on help, and then it gives you the different options for the help menu. If you want online help, you click on the open help. If you want to search for help based on a particular term, there is a search box here. You can type in the search term and then that should return some search results. Also on the left here under contents, there are different articles here that you can use for help related matters. For example, we have this one here that says connected to and prepare data. If you expand that, you can see the different options. So if you've got any questions or you need help regarding how to connect to your data, how to set up your data sources, you can explore the various links available here.